Embark on a journey to energy efficiency mastery with ISO 50001 Internal Auditor Training by empowering assurance systems. ISO 50001 internal auditors are the driving force behind energy efficiency. Champions of energy efficiency practices. Custodians of regulatory compliance in energy management. Proactive optimizers of processes to enhance energy performance. Our ISO 50001 internal auditor training delves into key areas. Thorough review of the ISO 50001 standard. Understanding auditor roles and responsibilities. Mastery of audit planning, execution, and reporting. Skill development in identifying energy improvements. Proficiency in evaluating corrective actions. Tailor your learning experience with our versatile delivery methods. Engage in open classroom sessions for collaborative learning. Bring the training to your organization with in-house sessions. Embrace the flexibility of tutor-led virtual classrooms from anywhere. Enjoy self-learning mode for a customizable training schedule. Completion of our ISO 50001 internal auditor training opens doors to diverse career paths. Thrive as an energy management professional, sustainability expert, or environmental compliance specialist. Why choose empowering assurance systems for your ISO 50001 internal auditor training? Learn from industry experts with extensive knowledge in energy management. Engage in practical learning with real-world applications and case studies. Attain a globally recognized certification from empowering assurance systems. Take your journey to energy excellence to the next level. Enroll in ISO 50001 internal auditor training by empowering assurance systems. Contact us today to empower your role in energy efficiency.